This is Sarika Tulsiani, and I would like to welcome all of you in today's sessions of Logarithms Part 2. In the previous video, we had seen the basic laws of logarithms, and we had also seen how to solve simple questions using the basic laws. In today's session, we are going to deal with some more higher difficulty level questions. So before watching this video, I would recommend कि आप first video पहले check out कर लो, सारे laws समझ लो, check out the previous video, and after understanding that, solving these questions will become very easy. So without a much further ado, let's start with the video. Now look at the question. This is your first question. 4 log 3 to the base 1000 minus log 27 to the base 1000 plus 3 log 7 to the base 1000 and minus log 1029 to the base 1000. So यहाँ पे if you check, one common thing is that all the logs have the same base, which is 1000. Now since they have the same base and they have addition and subtraction between them, you can directly use the law of logarithm. So what you can do is, देखो first step में you can write this as, this 4 can go to the power. So this will be 3 raised to 4 to the base 1000 minus 27 can be written as 3 cube to the base 1000 plus this 7, this 3 will go to the power. So this will become 7 raised to 3 to the base 1000 minus log 1029 to the base 1000. Okay? Now what you can do is, wherever there is a plus sign, you will add them, you will multiply them, because log A plus log B is log AB. Similarly, log A minus log B is log of A by B. So यहाँ पे what you can do is, these two have a positive sign, so they will get multiplied. So you will have 3 raised to 4 into 7 cube. And these two will have, they have a minus sign, so they will get divided. So they will have upon 3 cube into 1029 to the base 1000. Okay, so we have used the simple law of logarithm. Now, what you have to do is use your simple basic mathematical operations and solve this value. Because this is 3 cube, this is 3 raised to 4. So can I say numerator mein I'll have only 1 3 remaining. So I will have log to the base 1000 of 3 into 7 cube. So I can write this as 7 into 7 into 7 upon 1029. Okay? Now, if I check, 1029 is divisible by 7. So 7 ones are 7 ones are 7. This is 32. 7 fours are 28. 7 sevens are 49. Again 7 ones are 7. 20 ones are. 3 ones are 3 sevens are, and your 7 will get eliminated. Means what? All the numbers are getting cancelled. So your value will come out to be log 1 to the base 1000. And if you remember in the previous video, we had discussed that log 1 to any base is always 0. So this value clearly becomes 0. Okay? I hope this is clear. Moving on to the next question. Yes, check out. This is your next question. Log 5000 minus log 27 plus log 9 by 32 plus log 3 by 40. You can use your laws of logarithms directly because you have plus signs and you have a minus sign. So like I told you, wherever there is a plus, usko multiply karo. Wherever there is a minus, just divide that. So you will have log of 5000 into 9 by 32 into 3 by 40 upon 27 will get divided. That is 8. Now check. 9 3s are 27 and this 27 will get cancelled. ठीक है? Similarly 0 0 will get cancelled. So you have log of 500 upon 32 into 4 remaining. ठीक है? Now check, 4 will divide 500 as well. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 fives are 20. So 125 upon 32. Now if you check further, 125 and 32 both are not divisible by anything. So your final answer will be log of 125 upon 32. See, when there is no base given, always remember by default your base is going to be 10. Okay? So your base is 10. This is your final answer. You can stop here. Okay? Chalo. Moving on to the next question. Yes, this is a very common type of question which you will observe in a lot of competitive exams including Nmat, SNAP, CAT, everywhere. Okay? Don't get scared. This is a very simple question. Just looking at so many logs, children tend to get confused, but trust me, it's a very simple question. Here, the first thing you need to remember is you need to find x. Okay? X is the innermost value. So in this case, you have to use anti-log. Okay? Just remember one thing, you have to use anti-log. How do you use anti-log? Dekho. Suppose if I tell you 6 cube is 216. I'm just giving you an example. 6 cube is 216. I'm saying convert this into log. How do you convert this into log? Your answer will be 3. That is equal to log of 216 to the base 6. Okay? So log of 216 to the base 6 is 3. Now what was 3? 3 was your power. And you know logarithm of a number means the power of that number. अब मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ? I have given you step number 2. तुमको step 2 दिया है. I am asking you to go back to step 1. Step 2 से step 1 जाना है. So what are you trying to do is you're trying to eliminate log. This process of trying to eliminate log is called as anti-log. That is what you're supposed to do here. Abhi, how will you do it? Understand. First of all, observe this example. यहाँ पे जो base है, it goes on the other side. And this power actually goes to your power. So you will start with the outermost log. This base will go on the other side. And ये जो equal to के बाद था, जैसे इधर equal to के बाद 3 था, 3 went to the power. So this will also go to the power. ठीक है? This was log of 216. You are only left with 216 now. So you had log of this number. You will only have this part remaining now. Log will get eliminated. This is out. ठीक है? So what you are left with is 3 log to the base 2 of 1 plus log to the base 3 of 1 plus 2 log x to the base 2. ठीक है? This is what you are left with. This is 9 raised to half. 9 raised to half is root 9. Root 9 means 3. ठीक है? Now again what I'll do is, अभी देखो क्या होगा? This 3 and this 3 will get eliminated. So you will be left with only 1 here. 3 cancel हो गया. Now what you will do is you will take this 2 on the other side. वापस anti-log लोगे. This 2 will go on the other side. This 1 will go to the power. This log will get eliminated. You will be only left with this part. So that is 1 plus log to the base 3, 1 plus 2 log x to the base 2. ठीक है? I'll take this 1 on the other side. वो हो जाएगा 2 minus 1 which will become 1 only. This part will remain logarithm का part. So this will be log to the base 3 of 1 plus 2 log x to the base 2. वापस anti-log ले लो. Anti-log लोगे तो ये 3 उधर चला जाएगा. ठीक है? This 3 will go on the other side. 1 will go to the power. Log is eliminated and you have 1 plus 2 log x to the base 2. अब ये 1 उधर लोगे तो हो जाएगा 3 minus 1, 2. ठीक है? तो अभी देखो क्या होगा? You will have 2 log x to the base 2 remaining and you will have 3 minus 1 which is 2 remaining. I hope this is clear. Now your 2 you can cancel out. तो कुछ बचेगा ही नहीं, यहाँ पे 1 ही बचेगा. So you have log x to the base 2 is 1. Now again take anti-log. So you will have 2 raised to 1. This log will get eliminated. Only x remains. So your x का value is 2 to the power 1 which is 2. ठीक है? So your final answer is 2. I hope this is clear. Now, moving on to the next question. The value of this is equal to how much? ठीक है? Now, you have log of 0.008. Bases are different, first of all. Secondly, you have 0.008 and you have root 3 in the base. See, remember one rule of logarithms for you guys. The thing is, whatever term you have here, you have to convert the base to similar terms. Matlab, if you have root 5, try to convert your base in terms of 5. Similarly, you have 81 here and you have root 3 here. So, either convert 81 in terms of root 3 or root 3 in terms of 81. जब तक तुम एक नंबर को दूसरे नंबर के टर्म्स में कन्वर्ट नहीं करोगे, you will not be able to go ahead with the problem. ठीक है? So if you have a 5, try to convert 0.008 in terms of 5 or try to convert 5 in terms of 0.008. Convert one in terms of the other, only then can you solve the logarithm question. ठीक है? Now what do we do in this case? देखो, 0.008 is a very small number. But if you know one thing, what is 1 by 5? 1 by 5 is 0.2, right? 1 by 5 square is 0.04. 1 by 5 cube is 0.008. ठीक है? So I can write log of 0.008 as 5 raised to minus 3. ठीक है? 1 upon 5 cube is 5 raised to minus 3. Root 5 can be written as 5 raised to half. Plus, how will you write 81? 81 is 3 to the power 4, right? 3 to the power 4 is 81 and root 3 is 3 raised to half minus 7. Now, as per the law of logarithm, this power and this power will come out. So, you will have 1 by 2 upon minus 3 log 5 to the base 5 plus 4 upon 1 by 2 log 3 to the base 3 minus 7. ठीक है? यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? 1 upon minus 6, 5 to the base 5, this will become 1, plus this 2 and 4 will get multiplied, it will become 8, and 3 to the base 3 will become 1, minus 7. So this will give you minus 1 by 6, plus 8 minus 1 is 7. So finally you will have 6 ones are 6 minus 1, which is 5 by 6. That is your answer. ठीक है? So the sum seems to be difficult, but the moment you are able to convert the numbers in terms of one another, logarithm becomes extremely easy. ठीक है? चलो, moving on. Yes, look at this law. They're asking us to simplify, but the problem is all the bases are different. You have log n to the base 2, log 8 to the base n, log 32 to the log n to the base 32, log 128 to the base n. What you can do is you can use the change of base property. If you use the change of base, there are higher chances you will be able to solve this question very easily. How do you use the change of base? देखो, you have 1 upon log n to the base 2, right? See, we have a property which says that log a to the base b can be written as log a to the base c upon log b to the base c. Okay, so I'm going to use this property for all these terms. So I have 1 upon log n to the base 2. So I can write this as 1 upon log n upon log 2. I am changing the base. I'm changing the base to what? I'm changing the base to 10. ठीक है? जब कोई base नहीं है, by default your base is 10. I'm using this property here. Similarly, into, this will become 1 upon log 8 upon log n. Into, this will be 1 upon log n upon log 32. Into, this will be 1 upon log 128 upon log n. Okay, so your log n is going to get cancelled. Right? Now this log 2 will go up. So I'll write this as log 2 into, I can write log 8. देखो 8 can be written as 2q. So I can write this as 3 log 2. ठीक है? Into. This 32 will go up, log 32. But you know 32 is what? 2 raised to 5 is 32. So I can write this as 5 log 2. Into 128 is 2 to the power 7. So I can write this as log 7 log 2. 128 is 2 raised to 7. 7 will come out. So it will become 7 log 2. अभी check करोगे तुम्हारा log 2 will get cancelled everywhere. So you will have 5 in the numerator and denominator you have 3 into 7 which is 21. So your final answer is 5 by 21. ठीक है? I hope this is clear. We have just used the change of base property. That's it. ठीक है? चलो, moving on. Yes, simplify this expression. Okay, so basically what are you supposed to do here is you're supposed to calculate the value of x in this case. अब मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ? Like we did, x is the innermost term which you're supposed to find out. So for that you have to clearly use anti-log. ठीक है? तो what will you do is पहले ये 2 को उधर लेके जाओ. 1 will go in the power, so it will become 2 raised to 1. This log will get eliminated and you will have log to the base 7 of x square minus x plus 37. Now again I will use anti-log. This 7 will go on the other side, so I'll have 7 2 power में चला जाएगा. That is equal to x square minus x plus 37. Log is again eliminated. ठीक है? So this value becomes 49. So you have x square minus x, 37 minus 49 will give you what? Minus 12 is equal to 0. So it's a simple quadratic equation. You have to get the values of x. Can you tell me two numbers whose product is 12? Addition, subtraction is 1. So you will have 3 and 4. ठीक है? So my roots will be x minus 4, x plus 3 is equal to 0. So my x is equal to 4 or my x is equal to minus 3. ठीक है? So these are my values. I hope this is clear. Moving on. Yes. Now look at this question. It seems to be pretty difficult. Okay, 1 upon log 100 to the base 2, 1 upon log 100 to the base 4 and so on. But believe me, it's a very easy question. The only problem is, in सबका base अलग है. You have base 2, base 4, base 5, base 10 and so on. So your first task is to make sure कि इनका सबका base same हो जाए. How will you ensure that the base is same? मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ? Look at this number. यहाँ पे 100 है, यहाँ पे 100 है, यहाँ पे 100 है. Everywhere you are having 100. So again I'm going to use the change of base property, but I'm going to use the first property. What was the first property? The first property was if you have log a to the base b, you could write this as 1 upon log b to the base a. Now I'm telling you कि तुमको 1 upon log b to the base a दिया है. तुमको first part पे जाना है. You just reverse it. So you can write this as log of 2 to the base 100. You had 1 upon log 100 to the base 2. Just reverse it. Minus. This will become log 4 to the base 100. This will be plus log 5 to the base 100 minus log 10 to the base 100 plus log 20 to the base 100 minus log 25 to the base 100 plus log 50 to the base 100. क्या हुआ? सबका base same हो गया. Now wherever there is addition you multiply, wherever there is subtraction you divide. ठीक है? You can use the basic law of logarithms. So you have log to the base 100 of 2, 5, 20, 50. So they'll get multiplied 2 into 5 into 20 into 50 upon wherever there is minus sign, which is 4, which is 10, which is 25. Right? There are 3 terms. They will get divided. That's it. और कुछ नहीं करना है. Normal cancellation. 2 ones are 2 twos are, right? And what? 10 ones are 10 twos are 20. 2 2 will get cancelled. 25 ones are 25 twos are. What are you left with is you're left with 5 into 2, 10. So you have log 10 to the base 100 remaining. अब क्या करोगे? You can write log 10 as it is. You can write 100 as 10 square. This is raised to 1. दोनों powers बाहर आ जाएगा. So you will have 1 by 2 log 10 to the base 10. Log 10 to the base 10 is 1. So your final answer is only 1 by 2. ठीक है? I hope this is clear. Moving on. Yes. Log x plus y to the base 5 plus log x minus y to the base 5 is 3. And they've given you one more expression. They're asking you x into y equals to how much? ठीक है? x into y का value कितना है? मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ? Just write down the first expression. You have log to the base 5 of x plus y plus log to the base 5 of x minus y. This is 3. You know log a plus log b is log ab. They get multiplied. You have x plus y into x minus y. X plus y into x minus y will become x square minus y square to the base 5 is equal to 3. Anti-log ले लो. So you will have x square minus y square is equal to 5 raised to 3, which is 125. So basically what you're having is the squares ka difference is 125. This is the first part. If you look at the second part, okay, इसमें क्या दिया है? Log y to the base 2 minus log x to the base 2 is 1 minus log 3 to the base 2. ठीक है? So I can write this as log of y by x, right, to the base 2 is 1 minus log 3 to the base 2. Correct. I can take log 3 to the base 2 on the other side. So this will become log y by x to the base 2 plus log 3, right, to the base 2 is equal to 1. Log a plus log b is log ab. So you will get log of 3y upon x to the base 2 is equal to 1. इसके बाद if you take anti-log, you will get 3y upon x is equal to 2. So you get 3y is equal to 2x. You get this relation. You have this relation. You have to get the value of x and y. You can substitute y as 2x by 3 in this expression. Get your value. It's very, very easy. So, देखो, what I'll do is, just a second, I'll keep x square as it is. Minus y can be written as 2x by 3 का square. 2x by 3 का square हो जाएगा 4x square by 9 is equal to 125. So this will become 9x square minus 4x square, which is 5x square by 9 is 125. 5 ones are 5, 25s are. So my x square will be 25 into 9, which is 225. किसका square 225 होता है? 15 का square 225 होता है. तो my x is 15. The moment I got 15, I can calculate y also. देखो, x 15 मिल गया. Y from here, you know, is 2x by 3. So 2 into 15 by 3. So my y will become 10. Y मिल गया, x मिल गया. What do you want? You want xy. So that will be 15 into 10, which is 150. ठीक है? This is my answer. I hope this is clear. Moving on. Yes, this is a very common kind of a question seen again in Nmat, Snap, Cat, also in the past papers. They'll give you a relation, p cube, q raised to 4, r raised to 5, like a relation which they have, if you can see here. And they will ask you a combination of log. ठीक है? So p cube is equal to q raised to 4 is equal to r raised to 5 is s raised to 6. They're asking you what is the value of this. The easiest method to solve this log is equate all these terms to a constant, let's say k. सबको k से equate कर दो. क्या हो जाएगा? p cube is equal to k. So can I say p is equal to k raised to 1 by 3? Similarly, q raised to 4 is equal to k. तो q क्या हो जाएगा? q will be k raised to 1 by 4. r raised to 5 is equal to k, so you will have r is equal to k raised to 1 by 5, and you have s raised to 6 is equal to k, so s will be k raised to 1 by 6. So you got PQRS का value, ठीक है, in terms of k. Now you want log of PQR to the base s. So log of P can be written as what? P is k raised to 1 by 3. Q is k raised to 1 by 4. R is k raised to 1 by 5. To the base क्या है? To the base s, which is k raised to 1 by 6. Advantage क्या हुआ? Everything got accumulated in terms of k. Now you can solve the log very easily. You will have log of k raised to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 to the base k raised to 1 by 6. Law of indices. Powers को क्या करोगे? Powers add हो जाएगा. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Take the LCM. LCM will be 60. LCM will be 60. So this will become what? 20 plus 15 plus 12 upon 60. Right? So this will become how much? This will become 20 plus 15 is 35. 35 plus 12 is 47 by 60. So your value is log of k raised to 47 by 60 upon k raised to 1 by 6. As per law of logarithm, ये दोनों power बाहर आ जाएगा. So I'll just write it down here, 47 by 60 upon 1 by 6. 6 ones are 6 tens are. So your final answer will be 47 by 10 or 4.7. ठीक है? This is your final value. I hope this is clear. Moving on to the next question. This is your final question. If this is given, then which relation out of this is correct? ठीक है? अगर ये दिया है तो कौन सा relation correct है? What I'm saying is, check करो, what is the question? 1/4 of log x to the base 2 plus 4 log y to the base 2 is equal to 2 plus log of 8 to the base 64 raised to minus 1. ठीक है? So basically, if you check your options, they don't have log anywhere. So you have to eliminate log throughout. ठीक है? How will you do that? I can write this as log of x raised to 1 by 4 to the base 2 plus log of y raised to 4 to the base 2. ठीक है? ये पावर में जाएगा, ये भी पावर में जाएगा. 2 I can write as it is. अच्छा, I can write 64 as 8 square. So this will become 8 raised to minus 2. This is 8 raised to 1 and this is 8 raised to minus 2. Correct? अब as per law of logarithm ये दोनों combine हो जाएगा. So this will be log x raised to 1 by 4 y raised to 4 to the base 2 is equal to 2. देखो ये दोनों power बाहर चला जाएगा. So you will have minus 1 by 2 and log 8 to the base 8 will become 1. So what will this give you? This will give you 2 2s are 4 minus 1 is 3 by 2. ठीक है? Now what you're going to do is take anti-log. 2 को उधर लेके जाओ. So you will have 2 raised to 3 by 2. This log will get eliminated. You will have x raised to 1 by 4 y raised to 4. ठीक है? Now if you look at your options, everywhere you have y raised to 16 or x raised to 16. ठीक है? तो मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ? Let me take power 4 on both sides. Let me take power 4 on both sides meaning ये raised to 4 कर दो, ये भी raised to 4 कर दो. क्या बचेगा देखो? x raised to 1 by 4 into 4 will become 1. Y raised to 4 into 4 will give you 16. 2 raised to 2 ones are 2 twos are. So this will become 3 into 2 which is 6. ठीक है? So you will have y raised to 16 is, what is 2 raised to 6? 2 raised to 6 is 64 upon x नीचे चला जाएगा. So this will become x. So this is your final relation. which can be observed in option D. So option D is your right answer. Okay, I hope this is clear. So guys, whatever questions we discussed today, these questions have been observed in higher difficulty level competitive exams like Npat, Nmat, SNAP, Clat, Ipmat, those kind of exams. So if you're preparing for any of those kind of exams, make sure you try all of these questions, go through all of this, and if you still have any doubts, please mention them in the comment section below. I will try to answer all your queries as soon as possible. If you like this video, if you found this to be useful, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel for many such more videos. Until the next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.